Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you install the apps that are not available in your country or region. So guys, here you can see this. If I am trying to download an app in my iPhone, it says app not available. This app is currently not available in your country or region. So guys, if you're also facing this problem and you are unable to download and install the app in your device, here I will show you how can you still get this app or download and install this app in your iPhone. So for that, simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here simply open settings in your device. Scroll it below, tap on general, scroll it below again, and from here you have to tap on language and region. So guys, from here you have to simply tap on a region and select the region in which the app is available right now. So as if you are trying to download an app which is available in the United States but not in your country or region, simply select the country in which the app is available. So here I am selecting United States, and after this go back, and from here you have to open your settings again. So as open your settings again, and from here turn on the VPN in your device, and after this you have to open your hotspot shield, which you can download from your app store as well. And after this, connect your hotspot shield VPN, and from here select the country or region in which the app is available right now. So I select the country like United States, and after this go back and open up your app store again. So I search here for the app which you want to download and install. So guys, I am searching for Cash App. Here is the Cash App. So guys, here you can see this. You can easily download an app from here. So here you can see this, the Cash App is only available in the United States, but here I can update my Cash App or download my Cash App in my iPhone. So in this way you can also download or install the apps that are not available in your country. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.